just copy the existing data, customization. Suppose for an example, 000001. So 000 means existing data you can copy to the another client for work perspective, and there are the standard and the customize. It depends upon the what type of requirement it is and what type of work you want to do.
So as a security consultant, what we doing?
So it depend. Sometimes we are doing the customizations,
Okay.
and
So me,
yes, for secure.
as a security consultant, what I am doing is nothing but here. So you want to transporting the data between the one system to another system.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, like one client to another client within the same system is called the local client copy.
Right, right,
For
right.
example, now I want to transferring other system. You can using as RFC, remote client copy.
RFC.
First of all, you want to make a connection between those two clients, and you can make it. And next method is that is a TMS, transportation. Okay, so transportation. So you can using any method. Either you can get a local client copy, either you can get a remote client copy, either do the client export or client import. You can what is our target? I want to export the user IDs from one system to another system. I want exporting the role from one system to another system, and I want exporting customizing data what we're doing from one system to another system. That is our goal. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
Yes, sir.
you
Got
can
it.
just to copy that. Okay, I can using as any method. For example, so which is a better method now? Tell me. For example, local client copy is better or remote client copy is better. TMS configuration is better. Is better. So, for example, you have to, what is meaning of local client copy?
Local client, actually same client. Local copy means same client it is talking about.
Okay, within the same SIDs. Okay, within the same SIDs, not clients, within the same
Same,
SIDs.
same,
Means
same
development
system.
to development.
Yeah.
Okay, so remote client copy is nothing but
Quality to production or development to quality.
so different SIDs. You can transporting as with different SIDs. Okay, means you want to copy the data between the one SID and another. Like development client number, suppose development client number 100 to quality client 200. So first of all, make a RFC connection, then you can do the copy. Okay, and TMS also like a client export. What is export is client import and export. Okay, client import and export. What is this? What is this? This is also called as a so different SIDs. Okay, different SIDs. Again, what is it here? Development to same process, but here. So what we here you're using as
Yep.
an RFC connection. So remote client copy can based on the what the base is based on the remote client copy, remote connection. RFC is very important when you go for front end packages to even ECC to GR system is very important. Okay, and transportation. So suppose I want to do this local client copy is anyways better because the within the same system is okay. But so RFC method is better or transportation method is better? Which is a better method to transporting the data between one system to another system?
TMS better.
Why
It's very
TMS is
easy
better?
to. No, RFC both are the different. TMS you can transport the request, import and export from one client to another. RFC you can build the connection, and then after you can move it on. Different functionality. Both are, you know, has its own functionality to do.
So actually RFC is based on the network configuration. Suppose any network is failure. First thing is it's
Hmm.
a network based. So based on the network and based on the network, your speed will be up. The client copy speed will be up. Client copy
Right.
speed, client copy speed is depending on network. Suppose my network is slow, it will slow very slow. First thing.
Yep.
Okay. And second thing is here. There's a second thing here. So the second one is nothing and user ID. So every dialog user ID. Okay, how many days password is expired? So the dialog user ID. So when you call it, what is the password expiration date? So every 90 days the password will be expired.
90 days. 90 days. Yeah, 90 days.
So at that time, what happened? For example, today I'm doing RFC. Tomorrow the password, the user ID password is expired. At that time, what happened? RFC connection is failed due to the. For example, today night I do the client
Yes.
copy. Tomorrow morning the RFC. So you're getting error. RFC error. What is the error is? So user is invalid. Sorry, user is password is sorry. User password is expiration date. Like again. So based on these two things, So based on these two things, okay, okay,
Yes.
okay, based on the two things, so RFCs is better.
Right. Right. RFC is the
Okay,
better one.
sorry,
But the problem, no, no, no. TMS is better.
yeah,
Sorry.
okay, TMS is
Because the
very good
problem
here.
is,
Yeah,
yeah, because sometimes network is not running, or network problem. On that case, you can directly import and export through the TMS procedures.
yeah. Physical, the what TMS is nothing but is a physical route. Okay, physical route between the two systems. Okay,
Yes,
physical
right.
route between the
Two systems.
yes. Once, once again. Once again. Okay, so the TMS is the physical existing method. So the physical route is in OS directory. If you want to transfer any data, so you can use ESR slash SAP slash trans directory. Okay, okay, these are physical existing connections between the physical existing connection between the three systems, common directory. So three systems development, quality, and production three will be having as a common directory. So that's why compared to TMS, okay, so compared to RFC, TMS is very better. And even suppose I want to do this, now we are exporting the suppose in 100 client I have 1,000 users. Suppose I have sorry, just assuming in 100 client I have 50 users will be there. And out of 50 users, I want to transfer to only 20 users. At that how you transport it? At that what is the method you're using? Understand
RFC.
my
Oh,
requirement?
sorry.
Understand my
Is
requirement? Suppose now client number 100, I have client number 100 is a client number 100. I'm creating as a 50 user IDs. Okay. So same user IDs in a development client 200, even 200 client also. Client number 200, client number 200, I want only 20 user IDs. At that time, what we'll do?
on LSMW.
No. As I'm asking copy, LSMWs, again, you have to create it like time after time. So I want same user. At that time, what we'll do? So at that time, you can use the method is
Client CUA.
okay, central user
CUA.
administration.
Okay.
So what is the purpose of, for
Okay.
example, you do the local client copy and remote client copy or client export, client import. So what we do, you can transfer the overall data, not particular data. So you want to transfer the overall data between the one system to another system. So by using as a CUI configuration, you can transporting as a out of this 100, how many clients, how many users you want, you can select one by one as per the requirement. Okay.
Right. Right.
So that will
Right.
be go for
Got it.
CU configuration. Now, before last class we discussed only local client copy. I think you know remote client copy also.
Yeah. Remote client copy is basically through this one, SCC4.
No. SF59 you want to make a RFC connection, then after that you got to go for SSC9.
No. Okay.
Okay.
But we didn't do none these things.
Okay. If you want, now start. You start. Okay. So now here, so go for transaction code. So make a presenter. You please share your screen now.
Okay.
So log on screen, SAP log on screen.
Yeah. Sir, could you please share the list of each type of issues will occur in Accenture, and the how to resolve this issue and method of tickets and all? Can you please help me?
Yeah, I can just wait. Okay, I can upload it now. Only I can upload it.
Hello.
Yeah, you can upload now only. I can upload it now. Okay, you can do the back end. Already. Okay. So first of all, create one client. Where we create the client, go for transaction code SSC4. Go for transition SSC4. Today I'm sharing the CEO administration. You check that. Okay, get the material CEO administration.
I got the mail, sir. All the mails I got it for CEO administration. Yeah.
Okay, now I'm to transfer. Okay, so case studies where. Okay, so enter the client name. Client name. Client ID is okay. Then enter the client ID, client name. Wait a bit, just okay. Client city. Head of the report, head of the office. Okay, next one. Logical system will be discussed. So, and now here, sir, what is meaning of logical system? Because of, I want to do the RFC configuration, compulsory you can making as a RFC connection. So first of all, what will do? You want to log the logical system. So what is meaning of a logical system? Last class you did not discuss this. So what is meaning of a logical system is nothing but logical system is nothing but in technical definition is called as identify the business client. To identify the business
Ident-
client. Logical system. It is meaning of a logical system is nothing but to identify the business client. Okay. So coming to his normal language, what we call is called as a alias name. What is meaning of alias name?
Alias name is basically, suppose for an example, alias
Yeah,
means some short name.
a short name of other guys. Okay. Fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Other name now. Okay. Now, first of all, how to create the logical system? So now I want to create logical system. Your syntax also there. Go for transaction code BD54. How to create the logical system? Go for transaction code. Two transaction code is available. So one is for sale, one is for BD64 to yeah, BD54. So BD54. Yeah. Okay, click on OK button. So here the syntax will be a logical system syntax is based on your SID, CL and client number. Just click on new entries. Just click on new entries. Okay, logical system. Okay, what a naming convention? I said SID. SID. What is your SID? What is
SID.
your SID? SID. Logical system naming convention should be follow the composite standard forwards only. Okay. SID.
Okay. SID.
Okay. CLND. Not SID. What is your system
C.
SID? Your SID. Check your SID. What is your system SID? No, no. What is meaning SID? System is SID. System SID. Below you can check the SID. Where you check the SID? Here below host name sessions. That just click on the arrow mark. Arrow mark. So just a small arrow mark is there na. SID. Otherwise you have to go for logon page is better. SID. Your SID is ECC5. Click on that. Okay. That right click on it. No, right click on. Select the connection. Right click on it. Properties. Here there is no SID. Without SID, how you log in daily? Only heard the server name. I'm not giving the SID to you.
No, 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 no SID given me.
Second, I'm checking this EC5. SID is EC5. Just enter the SID is EC5. Without SID, how it log in possible? You say click on OK button. Okay, then click on OK button. Yes, SID. Sorry, not ECC5. Sorry, ECC, not ECC. ECC. SID is ECC, not ECC5. EC5, ECC. SID, ECC. Everything is mentioned that connection details ECC. Okay, then click on OK button.
No, 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 no. System ID is only for 3 digits.
Yeah, that is all ECC only. I said
In-
ECC only, not ECC5. ECC only. Okay, then click on next. Okay, click on OK button. Okay, no. Logical system ECC CLNT. No. Logical CLNT, CLNT, CLNT client. A client number. What is the client you are creating now? 200. 200, 201.
211.
Yeah, 200. Just enter the. No. Complete that. Logical system only.
Okay.
Okay, now give the description.
Okay.
So, logical system of 211. Logical system of, right, logical system of 211. Then click on save button. No. Just click on OK button. Create a new request. No request. Click on read new request. So logical system changes. Okay, save it. You can select the request 66. Yes, click on OK button. You click on save button. Then go back.
Hmm.
What happened?
Hmm. Yeah, it's done.
Okay, then once it's done, then go for SSC4. How to assign the logical system to our client. So now go for just browse it. Just putting a GCC star. Above one.
Actually, there is a screen.
Scroll up. Yes, you're downstate. Okay, now putting as a ECC5 star. Then sorry, ECC. Just putting a star. Browse it. Now, what the logical system you're getting? So remember, anyway, you want to do the CES configuration, you do the RFC configuration compulsory. Alias name you're using alias. Don't calling it directly logical system anyway. Okay, only one logical system. You can get the just click on OK button. This is the very important when you go for logical system. When anything is small letter, capital letters. Okay, and currency. Give the currency. Give the currency.
Found.
Just click on find it. Find it. What happened? Pound. Okay, this
UK pound.
European. Okay, UK.
Okay, then it is some.
Okay. Okay, then click on client role. Select the client role. So here when you're starting any project compulsion, how many is it minimum? 6. Okay. Then next one, click on save button. A client is created. Now I want to fill the client 2112. How to fill the 21 client number? Then I'm using as a remote client. Previously using a local client copy. Now see it. Be careful when you're changing as a logical system. Okay. Then go back. Now client was created successfully. Now remote client copy steps. Log on to the newly created client. What is the username you're using? Log on to the newly created client. What is the username?
As a DDIC through DDIC or
Only SAP.
SAP Star.
Password is pass. SAP star. Password is pass.
But yesterday it was not login.
Today also maybe log. Maybe jump change the parameter. Just click on OK button.
Mhm.
These are not
It
changed.
was
These are
not
not active.
running.
Okay, then go for 800 client. Just assume log on to 800 client. Actually, I get the server access, full access, but why is also changing? Okay. Okay, log out SAP underscore all. Just assume you want to log on to one client, username is SAP star, password is pass. Then I want to do the local client copy, remote client copy before you want to do the RFC creation. Then go for transition code SCC9. Select the middle radio button. Okay, then go for SCC9. Now tell me what is the difference. Just enter button. Now go for
Is
SM01. What
locked.
happened? How to unlock it? Go for SM01. Let us talking a lot. Somebody log the transaction code. Go for SM. Now type the transaction code. Which transaction is log? Go for transaction SCC9. SCC9. Below yellow box is there. Now type the transaction code. SCC9. Yes. Enter button. Okay, unlock that. Just uncheck it. Now unlock it. Now go back. Now type the transaction SCC9. You not do it perfectly. Just go for SMJ01 again. SSC9. Okay, enter button. Okay, select the transfer unlock. Okay. Now the mouse pointer putting as a to empty box. Again lock and unlock. Again unlock it. The mouse pointer you can putting as a yellow box. Mouse pointer just click on yes. Now click on go back. No. Yeah, click on again and SSC9. Now click on go back. Already unlock. Now go back. Just go back. Now type it.
Mm-hmm.
Go for
Oh
SMG.
no.
Oh, SMG again go for SMG. Type the transition SSC9. Okay, no need to do no just waste. Select the SSC9. SSC9. Select the SSC9. Okay, putting as the shortcut key F2. Function key F2.
Function F2.
F2. Yes. Click on that.
Function F2. Function F2 is not there.
It's there. Just click on that. Function F2. No, type F2 is not also there.
No, in my window, na, it is not there. Function F1, F2. Function is there, but F2 is there. Is F2.
One second, I can unlock it. Which third function how are you looking at? Shortcuts. What happened? Password is changed. And now I'll unlock it.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is login now. I'll
Okay, now
login
one
now.
difference you observe for SSCL and SSC9. What are the screen difference you observed?
In SSC9 and SSC4 or which one?
SSCL. SSCL for local client copy, SSC9 is for remote client copy.
Mhm.
What is the difference you
Can I
observed?
type it SSCR?
No difference.
No, difference is there,
Yeah.
but I just
Use a
can.
slash o. Use the slash o. Because of okay, fine.
Source client, target client,
Hmm.
description.
Hmm. Okay, now go for SSC9.
But, but there is a system name and test source destination
Yeah,
and system
source
name.
destination is there.
Isn't
Means
it?
source. Yeah, source destination is available for this. Okay.
RFC is there. Yeah.
Yeah, RFC connection also. So before you want to remote client, what will you want to make a RFC connection between the two systems? Then go
Two
for
systems.
transaction code SF59. Go for transaction SF59. Okay, then click on create a connection. So, so enter the destination name, GIS, sorry, ECC, your logical system. Realize that RFC destination should be compulsory. You want using as a logical system of the client. So what is the logical system of to one client? No need to. No need. Wait. I'm typing logical system of the client. So typing that. Okay, now here I want to take a logical system of the which is your source client. Source client is anything.
211.
Okay, 2-1. So that is target, na? The 211 is a target. Because of
No,
in
but
211 there is no
but
data. So you want to take the data from
yes,
source is
right,
nothing
right,
but
right.
destination.
Yeah, destination, we will require the destination number, na? So which server I need to connect it? Suppose for example,
Not server.
800,
First of all,
100.
client name. First of all, you want to give the client ID. Which
Yes.
client you want to connecting? Which client you want? After that, after then they select the connection type. Then after that, you can select the server details and remaining. So now I want to connect with the 800 client. Then enter the 800 client. So suppose your source is 800 client and target is 2112. So I want to take the overall data from ECC5 to the 200 client. Okay. Now take the destination of the, so take the logical system of the 800 client. Okay. So ECC, enter the ECC CL and 800 client. Enter the RC destination to be compulsory logical system of the client. Okay. ECC,
ECC,
CL and T,
CLNT, 800.
001 or 800 or anything. So I want to taking as a 800 because of I know the user 800 800. I don't have 001 access. Take the source is 800. In 800, what are the user is everything is copied to 112. Okay. Select the connection type. Connection type above one is there. Browse it. So connect. So total 10 connections is there. You want to select the second one. Second three is nothing but connection to above system. What is this? Will be discussed. Everything 99% you are using as a connected to above system only. Okay. Then click on OK button. Okay. Enter the description. Under the description, remove client copy purpose for Harish. Remove client copy purpose for Harish. Okay, then click on save button. Now in technical settings tab, you want to enter the host name. Enter the target host name means where the client number 800 is located. Actually, you're taking as different server name, but you don't have any different server. So I'm just taking as my own server, like presently where the server is. Okay. So enter the host name. Whatever host name, where you check the host name. Where you get the host name? GCECC62. Enter the target above one, above one. Target host is there, na? Yes. Enter the target host. Where which what is the host name? Where we check the host name?
211, ECC client 211.
No, no, no. Check the GCECC62. That is our host name. Harish, below is there, na? Below one arrow mark is brown. Where we check the which transaction you log in? How you know what is that is transaction? How you know that? Below is there, na? Below one arrow mark is there. Expand that arrow mark. No, no, down there. End of the screen. Time is there, na? Time. Your system time in above. System time above is there, na? Your system time, your
System
computer
time.
time. Your computer time. Battery symbol, computer above. Yeah, above is above one SAP arrow mark is it. Just click on that arrow mark. No, no, SAP. Above that, SAP. No, no, not that. Messages is the message above one. Message above one arrow mark is there, na? How to check which client you log in? How to check above one? Above one. Notification above one. Above one. No, no, no. Above. Close this, not ever a desktop. SAP screen will be getting, yeah, that
From,
app. Just,
yeah, from
okay, now this is a host name. What is the client SID? That is the SID client number. What is the host name? GC is a 62. That is your host name. Means where you installing as your application server. This is our computer name. GC is 62. So GC ECC 62. Okay, and enter the instance number. Enter the instance number. What is the instance number you log in? System number. Instance is number, system number. Both will be common. Enter the system number. System number. Target one
mm,
similar row will be on that system number also. Yes, exactly.
mhm.
So system number. What is system number? System number or instance number? What is system number or instance number here? 05. Enter the 05. Okay. 05. Then click on save button. Here you can give the target details. As okay, then click on save button. Okay, then go for log on and security tab. Now log on to the security tab. Okay, now go for okay, now go for log on security. Enter the client ID. below. Log on screen, enter the client number, language. First of all, like the language,
EN.
EN, client number 800. So username is SAP underscore all, and password.
Current user, huh?
No, just no. Current is SAP underscore. No. Just click on OK button. Click on save button. No need to. No. Yeah, enter the password below. Password. Yeah, password. Enter the password is done. Enter the password.
Mm.
Click on save button. Now, what are the details you are providing? You are providing the connection details, target host name, you are providing as instance number, you are providing as a user and everything. So everything is correct or not? How to check? So go for main menu utilities. Main menu, go for utilities tab. Okay, then to go to test. First of all, do the connection test whether the system is connecting. So your target host and everything is connecting or not. So correction is error. Once again, go back.
Mm.
When the host name is everything is correct, why is getting the error? Okay, fine. Give the system number is 00, instance number 00 is correct. Everything is correct. 00, give the 00. Change it.
Mm.
00. Click on save button. 00. Save button. Know the correction test for utilities. Okay, now it's successfully connected. Okay, then go back.
Authorization test.
Then do the authorization test. Means your password is correct or everything is correct or not. Okay, that's that. Then go back. So do the unique code test. Your target system is unique code, like the 62-bit or 32-bit. So do the unique code test. Go for utilities. So test to the next one. Unique code test. Three tests is compulsory. Unique code test means your target system is unique code or non-unique code. Unique code is nothing but universal code. Okay, the characters is okay. So everything is correct. Then RF is done successfully. Okay. Then go for transaction code SSC9. SSC9. Now see what your target client. Target is 211. Okay, select the profile SAP underscore user based on your requirement. Select the profile. What type of data you want. Okay, select the don't select
SSC9.
the SAP underscore, it will take a lot of time. You will select the SAP underscore yes sir. Yes sir. Okay. And select the source destination. Just know what we're creating. What are we creating? Just select it. This is the CLNT 800. Where is that? Scroll down.
Yeah, this one.
Not that. Not that is. Your description is different. Harish, remote client copy by remote. Window.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Then now see here, once you're selecting automatically, what happened? You're getting as a target system name and source client. Okay. So now here, start immediately as schedule as a background.
Test run, no.
No. Test run is nothing but before like whether the space is available or not. No need to do anything here. Test run. Okay. Then you can schedule as actually what we're doing. This is you're doing the wrong process because you don't have log on. Actually, you have to log on to the 2112. You can do the process. Process is correct. Okay. Now what happens? Source and target both will be common. At that time, what happened? What is this process? Suppose you select the start immediately. At that time, what happened? You do the remote client copy only. But what happened? So your data is 800, data is copied from 800 only.
Yes, sir.
So 800 to 800. Source and target both will be same. So actually in real
Yeah.
time, what is the process you can use? You can log on to the
to one client, and
Yeah,
then
to one
after
client,
that
you can pay the
process.
RFC connection. You have to select the source client. Okay, then do the start immediately icon. Then after that, complete it. Now in 800, what are the user IDs? Everything is filled to the 212. Okay, so just let's see it. That is us. You do the start immediately. Let's see what happened. Source and target is not identical. Okay, it's the process.
Mm.
Okay, what type of
So
data?
can I, yeah, can I cancel it?
Yeah, cancel it. Okay, now understanding remote client copy.
Yeah, sir.
So
Done.
local client copy
Mm.
is the same, but what is the difference is here? Only on what the difference? So only difference is you can do the
So,
RFC connection. Okay.
yeah.
Next one, transportation. How to transport the users from one system to another system. Just go back.
Mm.
So how to transport the roles from one system to another system. Go before you
There's
want to
an
transfer it. First of all, you want to check whether TMS config is successfully are done. Go for transition STMS. The TMS is configured with the basis consultant. STMS. Transition code is STMS. So before you want to the transportation, you check whether TMS config is successfully configured or not. Okay, otherwise you can inform to the just click on fourth icon, transport routes. Okay, so when you're transferring compulsory how many system is required, development, quality and production. First of all, you want to
Mm.
development, so everything is perfect. Okay, just expand it, just maximize it. Just click on change button, change button, change button. Okay, zoom in, zoom out. No need to do zoom in, zoom in. Just click on zoom in option. Zoom in. Yes. Now, system, what the systems is there? Development system is there, quality system is there, production system is there. So now I want to transfer the data between the development to quality, quality to production. So how to transport the users from one system to another system? So by using TMS configuration. So now TMS config successfully done. Then what we'll do? I want to start the transportation. Okay, then go for transaction code, PFCG. How to transport the roles?
So there's a truck option now. We can select the truck option and we can proceed the same.
Sorry.
There is an for role transport now. This is the
Yeah,
symbol
truck
for
button.
transport of the request
You
now.
know that?
Yeah,
Okay.
but we there isn't two. Another option is we can download the report. We can download the role from here
Okay.
and save it. So
And
once
you can
you save
upload
it,
it.
then log into the different client, which wherever you can upload it. Log in, and there is another option for the upload. Then you can directly all the things will be uploaded. Then you go
Yeah.
to the SQI and then generate the profiles for all the roles.
Yes, yes, yes. Correct. SUPC, I can generate out. So
SUPC.
transportation, even mass role transportation, everything is common. But here you get the
Yeah.
request number. What is the request number? You want to know the request number.
Mm,
Like even you do in
right.
GRC also, you can do any changes, you get the request number. Suppose I am
Right.
transporting as a client specific data, what type of request is getting? What is the difference between the customizing request and request that we know that? That's why the reason you can transport it. But when you're downloading, uploading, what the problem is, you don't know that who are uploading and who are downloading.
Right. So can I select any of the role?
Yeah, select the browse, select the any role. So single role transportation, mass role transportation now is there. Now you're doing a single role transportation.
Mm, I just select
Yeah,
the.
select any one role.
Mm, mm,
Click on track button. Now see when you transfer the rows, automatic profiles are also transported. Okay. So suppose you don't
mm.
want profile, just click on uncheck it. Okay, then click on execution button. Execution button. Okay, now see here. This is the overall. So when you're transporting again, if you want transport user also, you can check the checkbook. Otherwise, you cannot transfer. Just click on check the checkbook. Like for the example, that role will be have any user ID that is also transferred. Just click on OK button. Okay, now see here. Even see here what happened. Suppose you want to configure the CUA. Read this. So if which one you want to transfer, you can
Sure.
directly transfer it. Like what is the user ID? So by your TMS CUA configuration also you can transfer it. I click on OK button. No, create the request. Click on create button. Create button. Now you're getting a same request. Now see here target. What is the target system by default you're getting? Target. See the target.
Target
Yeah. By
800.
no. Source is 800. Target below target. RQ system. Quality system.
Yeah,
Okay.
RQ quality system. Yeah.
Okay. So give the start. This is single role transportation. Give a meaningful description. Single role transportation. Click on save button. Okay. Now see what is the request you get. Okay, but select the request. Now what is the request is? It's a
ECC
customizing request. Why is it getting a customized request? Because you transporting as a customizing data. That's why you get it. Suppose you want to transporting as a
Z.
standard data, you can get the
Standard.
work purchase request. Okay, then click on OK button. Okay.
Click on. Hmm.
Then after that, okay, once your request is done, then what we do? Then go back. No need, don't need to download. Just go back. After that, go for transaction code SC10. You want to release the request. Mean directly
Yeah,
to the
and
basis consultant. SCEE SC10 SC10. Okay, select
transport.
the workbench customer request. Check button. So request type. Select the customer request. Uncheck workbench request. Click on display.
Yeah.
Okay, select the 68 and 69. No. First of all, select this. Just expand the request 69. Expand it. That role, that request is fetching the role or not. Just expand the role. Which role you want to transfer is done. Na? So role assignment is done. User also done. The tables also. HER tables also done. So user tables also done. So everything is fetching this request, fetching into data user request. So select the transport request now. 69. Okay, then click on transport button, truck button. Okay, release directly. Okay, select the 68 and release directly again. Now export was successfully done. So you're getting a 0. B0 is nothing but successfully exported. So see status is successfully computed. Again what we do?
Yeah.
So you want to log on to quality server, particular client number, how to import this
And
code?
check this.
How
Yeah.
to import this?
But
Again
we
go
don't
for,
have.
yeah, and go for HTML transaction code. Just means log on to the quality server or log on to target server, go for transaction code STMS. Okay, click on OK button. Now click on import button, import truck button. Import. Just like a truck button. Okay, now just browse it. Just click on refresh button. So everything is empty now. Just click on refresh. Refresh button. Refresh icon. Okay, now see here quality system is there. Just double click on the quality system. Okay, now see below we were getting a single role transportation. Who are developed below eighth
Yeah.
one. Eighth one is yours. So means successfully done.
Yes.
Okay, this is the way of exporting and importing as a users from one system to another system. Okay.
Right.
So again mass transportation. Again mass transportation which we done. Again go for transaction code PFCZ. How to do the mass transportation? At a time I want to go for more than one. Okay, how to do this? Then go for main utilities. Till this
Yeah,
is
mass
for
transport.
mass transportation. Same process.
Mhm.
Okay, select
Select
the
the roles multiple.
browse it. What is the role you want transporting? When you transport a single role, sorry, when you type composite, automatically transfer single roles also. Select one by one.
4 5 roles is enough,
Yeah,
I
four.
think.
Okay, fine. Again, click on execution button. Okay button. Okay button. Okay button. Create the request. Create button. Create button. No need to go for again. Okay. So mass role transportation by Harish. Click on save button. Okay, select the request 70. 70, 70, not 71. Okay, anything is take okay button. Now I want to release this. Where we release this?
Again, you
Go
can
for
go
launch
different
SU09. Sorry, SU10.
and
C,
SU10.
SC10, not SU10. SU
Sorry,
first.
sorry, 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 sorry.
Where we type?
Sorry.
Yes, slash n SU10. Okay, select the
Security
customer and click
on
the display
monthly.
button. Yes, display. Okay, select the 70. For 71, you can check it for overall data fetching or not. So maximize fetching. Okay, fine. Then go for 71. Release them. First of all, child request you can read. After that, parent request you can. First release parent. No, child you can release them. 71 you can release it. Expand it. Select that 71 and release truck button. Again, release directly. This is like toll gate. Okay, 70. This can be to the basis consultant. You can inform. So I'm going to do the Joson. So please approve and them. Okay, because I do it like the how to do anything. So everything is recording automatically. Because of client settings is there. Then go for again you have to log on to the quality system. Go for transition STMS. You get the doubt, sir. Quality server is not there. Now, then how you transport it? Because of your quality server is a virtual server. Okay. What button again? Refresh it. Refresh it. Okay. Now double click on the quality server.
Yeah, on this one.
Fine. So this is the way of you want to transfer. So tomorrow when you come to class, you can do the case study. How to export the users from one system to another system. How to export the use like roles from one system to another system. You can do this.
Yes, sir. So you
Okay.
have shared the case study
Yeah.
now.
Yes, sir. Just now, just check your mail ID. You get the mail. Dora. So
Okay,
review
sir.
that.
Tomorrow we will do the case study. Yeah.
Okay. Now
I
tomorrow you
got
come
your
to
mail.
class. You
Yeah.
can do this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
I will.
Bye, Harish. Good night.
Okay. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night.